So you're after a basic cross-line laser for all your internal fit out or just general at-home use, you really can't go past the Unilevel cross-line laser. It comes in the hard carry case with the laser enhancing glasses and your batteries to get you underway. It is an auto leveling laser, so to operate the laser we simply unlock the pendulum. It's going to flash an alarm if it's outside of its leveling tolerance. We put it on a flat surface, then we can turn on both the horizontal and vertical beams. But what makes this a real standout is the fact that we've got these dots in our laser line that helps enhance the visibility of those beams. So if we're trying to align that up to something 5 meters away, we can see with the dots, rotate our laser and get it onto our mark. It's a really well built laser with aluminium die cast and steel construction. It certainly stands up to its 12-month warranty that is honoured here locally in Australia. So really, give us a call, get on the blower, talk to one of our retailers, or just click the buy button, because this is a laser you really got to buy.